Afternoon K2 Krew. So today we're going to be looking at fitting a gloss black spoiler razor onto my Audi A7. So there's a current one on there that I need to remove. We're going to be looking at the process of properly removing it, stripping it down, getting it ready to refit the new one. So yeah, let's get to it. So here we are with the A7. So at the minute, as you can see, we've got the active spoilers up and it has the boot lip spoiler already fitted. As you can see on there, I'll probably cut to a clip showing you the current condition of it. It's got some fading on the top and paint chips all the way down. I mean, it is Daytona grey color coded to the car already, but as you can see with the badges that we currently got going on, which I replaced a while ago from chrome to the gloss black, trying to go with a contrasting Daytona grey gloss black theme, going for a nice gloss black spoiler to hopefully make the rear end look a little bit more aggressive, bring in that gloss black theme that I'm hoping to bring in with the car as the build progresses. So yeah, let's hope it goes on okay. So here's the spoiler in question. So it comes with some 3M adhesive tape, as you can see here. That's probably what I'll be using to stick the spoiler on. I've done previous ones with just double-sided sort of foam or sticky tape, and it usually works pretty well. I know some obviously people use a silicone sealer like, what's one of the brands? Tiger Seal to adhere these spoilers on, which obviously for more permanent fit, but if prepared right, I find sticking them on with sticky tape works perfectly fine. And this is the spoiler. Let's have a look. Yeah, not bad. So as you can see, it's got a good finish. It's a Chinese special, not gonna lie. It's from eBay. Probably only cost about £40–50. It's not expensive. And as you can see by the design, it's very M Sport-esque. Has that kind of BMW lip that I'll try to flip to a cut of one, so you can see. So I know this is quite common on a lot of Audis, they seem to replicate that design. Maybe it is actually an Audi design as well, don't know. Maybe they do it on in some of the RSs. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I know I've seen it a lot on BMWs. So yeah, as you can see, more of a higher profile design than the one that's currently on there. So I really am hoping that yeah, I'll give it that more aggressive back end. So yeah, let's get it on.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
So, spoiler is on. Yeah, had a few difficulties, but nothing that can be overcome. I think it looks pretty tasty. I'll add in a pan around clip in a second so you can see it properly. But yeah, I'm really happy with the end finish. The original spoiler seemed like it was adhered with both sticky pads and silicone. Silicone was a bit of a pain to get off, but I managed to get the majority of it off. Also, one recommendation if you're doing this yourself is to make sure that you're masking up any areas that you don't want to obviously get any damage when you're doing the removing obviously of the old material, and any kind of like sanding off any of the old deposits to make sure you don't damage any bodywork like I did. But again, another touch-up job for another video maybe. Who knows? But yeah, to say I'm happy with the end product would be an understatement. I think it looks very nice. Very happy with the finished result for that.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out.